Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your August app not working on your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your August app and it's not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is actually go ahead and swipe up on your phone. And notice how the August app becomes a minimized window. If you hold the August app and swipe it up, that'll go ahead and delete your current session with the app. So what you can do now is you can actually search up August and reopen it again and see if that works. Next, on the App Store, you can open it and then go ahead and search for August on the App Store and then go ahead and see if there's an update required. So as you can see here, there is an update required for the August Home app. So I'm just going to click on Update and then go ahead and update the app. Afterwards, see if that works. Now, the third thing that you can do is that you just want to make sure that you're connected to a stable connection on your phone. So maybe you want to go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi, or maybe you want to go ahead and turn on your Wi-Fi. And that's the way you'll be able to go ahead and connect to the August app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your August app not working on your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.